Yo, what's good, guys? We're here. We just ordered fruits and roots for the first time. This is our sample pack. We're very interested to see what's inside. So let's try to. Let's open this shit up together.
Wow.
Let's see how. Actually, let me open it up. It'll be easier. We'll pull it out. Hopefully, I don't cut myself. Here we go. So, we're gonna see what's inside. Kizzy, can you pull out these? Oh, baby limes.
No, baby limes.
Ponen su plato, Kiz, pon su platito.
It's a little.
We have a few. Alright, so I guess this is this season right now. This is little fruits and roots.
Their mission.
Okay, your mission. Oof, I can't wait to see what's inside this box. Alright, so we have these limes. If you guys want, we'll bring the limes closer. We have these little limes right here. And that's our first fruit. I'll pick something out. Ooh, I want to pick out something different.
Okay.
Smart, Babu, smart. So, this next fruit, I know what it is because I've been researching this fruit for a long time. What do you guys think it is?
Cacao.
Ooh, that's a black side.
What is this?
This is the mamey.
Mamey.
Mamey. It's like a sweet avocado taste. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste this.
Boom.
This is
Nati. Becky.
mamey. Alright. Next person. Pick your fruits. Oh.
What's that?
Okay, what do y'all think it is? I think I know what it is.
Guanabana.
That's what I thought it was.
Guanabanita.
No, it's a guava. It's a guava. It's a guava. I'm excited to know if this is the watermelon guava.
No, más cerca.
Yeah, my second. Yeah, you can get closer to it. There we go, Nat. So I believe this is guava and this is the other one.
Another guava.
Okay.
Yeah.
They don't need to see that.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh shit, there's more limes in here.
Ooh.
We got a couple
Okay.
more limes. All right, bad boy.
Actually, with limes.
You are next. Oh.
De maracuyá.
Oh, that's definitely this is
One of my favorites.
It's
It's a yellow dragon fruit.
That's a yellow dragon fruit.
Ooh.
Yo, that's just fire. I've never had that one.
Ooh.
That shit is sweet. It's like grapes.
Okay.
With a nice crunchy.
Ooh, I see some that identify right. I'm gonna let Kizzy go though.
You would like
Kizzy.
it.
What do you wanna see? Oh, what do you think that is? I know what it is.
Should have sprayed it.
It's a passion fruit.
¿En serio?
Smell it, smell it.
Ooh.
Smell it.
That bad boy is bright.
Smell it.
Baby, lo que acaba de decir.
So,
¿Viste eso?
this, wow, this is,
Déjame mostrarlo.
see, boom. That
Wow.
Maracuyá.
That one is so juicy.
Maracujá.
Crack that shit open.
Passion fruit. Okay, I'm gonna pick another one.
Another one.
Yo, okay. What do you guys think it is? So my guess is another kind of maracuyá.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
A ver.
If you shake it like this, maracuyá,
Suena.
and you shake it really quick.
Oh, yeah.
It's
It's
that's maracuyá usually. So I don't know.
Damn, this one's right.
A
I
ver.
don't know what kind, but it's definitely
Yo, they're all ready to go.
really dope. Yeah. I don't know.
¿Qué
Okay, that.
Soon.
Oh, yeah.
That's the football right there.
That is the fucking cacao.
Yo, ¿qué cacao es?
That's the cacao football.
Show me really close now what it looks like.
¡Wow! No, más abajo. Así, dale la vuelta.
That is the cacao. Yo, that's
El
huge. Yo,
cacao.
that's huge. Alright.
Damn, should I bring out the big one?
You do it, bro. Do it. I'm curious to know.
Damn, this one weighs a little bit.
Besito de coco con
Is it
piña.
hard?
Es un coco.
I don't know what it is.
Eso es un coco.
It's kind of,
No, es como un melón.
Ay,
Un melón de qué?
melón,
Un
pesa,
melón.
¿De
pesa.
qué, though?
It's a melon, I think. It's some sort of melon.
Sí, eso no es coco, porque coco sonara.
Yeah. You want to feel that?
That thing
Yo,
is
that's
huge.
crazy. That comes from the
Okay.
earth. You want to show it, Bill?
Sure.
Ey, como una pelota de baloncesto.
This thing is massive.
Ah, no, de baloncesto no, de fútbol americano.
Football americano. And I think we know. This one is just ginger. So pretty ginger, though. So we got real quick. This is ginger.
Y todo eso junto.
This is everything. So right now, we're about to cut up the fruit and take a taste of it, yeah?
Okay.
So guys, we're back. We're here with the fruits. We took the time to clean the fruits.
Yes.
We got our utensils, we have knives, we got plates. Now Kizzy, she's gonna pick her first fruit the way she wants to.
Okay.
Which one are you gonna pick?
Voy a hacer de Team Marín de dos pingües.
Okay.
So, de Team Marín de dos pingües, cucaramata, títeres, fue, todos los perros piden, pero me lo supero, cago, pero pica piedra, dice así, daba daba du, saliste tú. ¡Ey!
Yabadabadu, saliste tú. So I'm gonna cut it for you, Kizzy. I believe this is the passion fruit.
Ooh.
So let's cut this baby out. This one's gonna be a little harder cutting for us. Ooh, this knife is okay.
Okay.
Like
Ooh,
Fuck.
damn, yo, like I wish the camera was closer. I'm gonna zoom in the edit, but I'm gonna just let it go, okay, guys? Look how yellow that
This
is.
is
It's
dripping.
like orange. All right, watch that.
Drip.
Oh, okay.
Drip.
We got a little passion fruit situation. We might have to, you know. So that's Kizzy. I'm gonna let you guys. You could have that.
Ay, ay,
No,
ay.
you, Nat. You can have that. That
Ay,
whole
ay,
one.
ay.
Cause me and Beb are gonna share this one.
Wow, good
So let us know what y'all think too.
looks alien. Super alien.
Right?
But looks
There
so
you go.
good at the same time.
How's that?
Wow, the texture is great.
Yeah? How is it? Crunchy?
Ooh,
Damn, I'm trying to
that's
cut
perfect.
this. Damn, but
¿Viste lo que me pasó?
Papo,
I'm struggling. Yeah, cause I'm trying to cut it and it's.
You need to cut it.
I'm gonna cut it on here. I know how I'm gonna do it.
That works.
I'm gonna get. Yo, I know there's like a lot of nutrients and like different things that maracuya has. Passion fruit, I don't remember. You know Pepper by any chance?
Hold on. The crunch? That shit took me by surprise.
Oh yeah, there's a crunch.
Wow.
We're gonna try another one. And I'm gonna try this one. I think that one was mamey. I don't know what this is. We're gonna see what it is. So here we go. Ooh, this one kind of smooth like butter.
Oh.
I think this is mamey. That is mamey. Look at that juice coming out.
Damn, that's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
I believe that might be mamey. I don't know. We're gonna try it and we're gonna see what's up.
So that's my rico.
So for you,
Thank you.
for you,
Thank you.
and for you.
Don't eat it like an apple.
Just I believe so.
Is it pit?
Just take the pit out. And I think try not to eat the skin. I don't know if we could eat the skin.
Okay.
Just the inside. Oh wow. It's like a sweet pear.
Oh, I love pears. Don't tell me
Yo,
that.
I swear to you, it's like the best pear you ever have in your life.
Wow.
I think we could eat the skin, guys. We could definitely eat the skin. It's edible. Yo, this is so good. This is crack.
Sweet.
If you're from New York, we would eat this fruit and say, this is crack.
Crack.
Cause this is crack.
Crack.
And how she would say it, period. fact. That's a fact. Nat is gonna pick out the fruit.
Okay.
Period.
Here we go.
I don't know this one. Only because it's pretty as fuck.
Oh, you're gonna love
That's
that.
Yes.
Look at that baby. Look at that baby.
Thank you.
Look at that baby.
Ooh.
Look at that
Gracias,
baby.
gracias.
Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, guys. Wow.
Wow.
Favorite.
First we
I
had
literally
one.
want to just travel the world and eat this.
I want a whole bucket of these.
Oh, yeah.
No, the fruits were amazing. The yellow dragon fruit was probably our best. As you see the claps go.
Round of applause,
The crowd
round of
goes wild.
It's just that good.
Alright. So we got our next fruit. We're gonna pick out mango.
I can choose.
Yeah. Oh. You wanna use this one?
Sure.
We'll use this as the cascaras. Oh, we got a second round of maracuya. Passion fruit.
Parchita en Venezuela.
Parchita.
Parchita, okay.
Parchita, yo quiero un poquito de parchita.
¿Y en Dominicana?
What is this, passion fruit?
Yeah, maracuyá.
Maracuyá,
This
right?
is even sweeter though.
Can't answer that to me right now.
Alright, so
Chinola.
Chinola.
Hey, I had it there.
Alright, so I'm gonna take a little scoopity scoop and then
Like
I'm gonna
that.
let y'all take a little scoopity scoop.
That
That
was on time.
Oh, I think I just dropped some. No. That maracuyá. Alright, so
It's
put in-
sour.
that's maracuyá, papa. That's a real maracuyá right there.
But it's so good you want more.
Wow.
So that was passion fruit. Kizzy Daniela. Subes. Ay, yo ya sé cuánto va a pegar. Ay,
De timbarín de dos pingües, caramata titrefue, todo el Pedro pide perdón, Pedro cago. Pedro pica piedra, dice así. Daba, tú, saliste tú. Ay.
Oh, damn. I might have that with a little bit of lime or something.
Yeah, I'll take that.
We gotta pair that with something.
Let's pair it with the lime. Everyone
Still gonna
will get a lime. The ginger with the lime. Ooh. Don't swallow.
Ginger is harsh.
Don't swallow it though, guys.
I was
Oof. That
crying.
shit was crazy. We're gonna try the guava.
Never had it that way.
Después de ese jengibre.
Oof, a little sweetness just
You
too.
ever haven't had that one?
No.
Look at that, guys.
Yes.
This might be the watermelon one.
Qué
It's a
bonito.
little bit
This is what-
watermelon.
This.
Cause what they have is called watermelon guava.
Yeah.
So it's like a watermelon tasting guava.
Makes sense. Looks like
They're
one.
pretty.
Actually, let me do like.
They are. They look amazing.
All right, here we go. I believe you could eat the skin. Watermelon guava. Here we go.
It almost looks like a tomato, right?
Mhm.
Mm.
Oh, pero las pepas.
La pepa.
Pero el sabor está rico.
It's really good.
¿Te están tragando las pepas?
Mhm.
Segunda favorita.
Second favorite. Okay.
Makes sense.
I really like this one. The mamey for me was
I forgot, yo, that's
that
the
one
one
was
hard.
really good. The passion fruit, I like both passion fruits. They're really tasty too. And the yellow dragon fruit tasting like the kiwi that was banging.
Between jacket fruit and yeah, another.
So that was our unboxing, guys. We tried out the fruits. Hopefully do this soon. Again, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it.